Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about American Bill Money. This is a company that I've been with since May of 2017, and I've been able to generate a full-time income using this postcard marketing program. For those that don't know, American Bill Money has been around since 2003. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they've been paying out weekly commissions for people that join this opportunity. For each person that joins your opportunity, you get a $75 commission, and that's every month because this is a residual business opportunity, okay? People want to know all the time, well, what is American Bill Money about? How do you make money? What are they actually promoting? So what they do is they give you leads, high converting leads that you actually receive that you can send out to send out postcards to people that are interested in earning a full-time income. So leads, if you don't know, they're expensive. They can be expensive. They can be costly. And when you purchase leads, you're actually getting people's information that's looking for an online business opportunity, okay? So some places give you really high converting leads, or they give you leads that could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, or you can actually purchase them in bulk and get them at a really good price. So I do get leads from American Bill Money along with some other sources. And what you do is you put these leads on the front of the postcard. Here's the postcard here. This is what the front looks like. You can get your name and your picture here. And then you would just place the label that you receive with the lead on the front of the postcard, and you mail them out. Now, for the amount of postcards you send out, you're going to get a certain amount of people that are going to reply to those postcards that are going to be interested in the opportunity. So let's just say if you got 10 people that was interested, you would make a total of $750 because it's $75 for each person that comes into your downline, okay? So I just want to show you some proof of the payments that I've received so far that I received for the month of May. And I do have one payment that I received last week for $250 that I don't have with me. It's actually in my car, but I do have 3 checks here for the month of May that I want to share with you guys. So I received one payment for $825 from American Bill Money, and we get a check every single week from the company. I received the check on May 11th in the amount of $450 from American Bill Money. And I received, for May 18th, I received the check for the total of $1,500 from American Bill Money, okay? And I've been receiving checks like this every week since I've started the program within the first 30 days, and they have been very consistent. So this is an opportunity where you can build online income, a consistent income, and you can utilize this online or offline, okay? If you don't have a computer, you don't want to use computers, you don't have to. If you want to, you can. What I have is a website that I use on top of my postcards. So people that are interested, after they get my information, they can go directly to my website and get information about the company. So if you go to amandas's5kblueprint.com, that's my website that's connected to American Bill Money. And here is what the information looks like. When you opt in, which means put your email address and your name in, it'll give you information about the company. It's a short video that I put together, a short presentation, and that presentation pretty much gives you the information about American Bill Money, okay? Once you sign up with me, if you want, you can get a website created just like this that you can promote, and it'll have your information in here. Once you hit show me the video, your information will pop up about American Bill Money, okay? So this is something that I do include for all the people that sign up with me. If you want to promote online, you are able to do so utilizing a capture page where you capture people's information, okay? So American Bill Money, again, it's been around for a long time. It is a legitimate company, and you can earn a ton of money utilizing the system. It's about being committed to the process, being consistent. And when you're consistent, you will get the results that you're looking for. So if you want more information, it is in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future, and hit the little bell so that every time I do a video, you'll be able to tune in and get information about what it is that I'm doing with this online business opportunity. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you again another day. Have a good night.